I'm James Brady. I just recently completed a study looking at the safety and efficacy of propofol-only sedations in third molar removal in the oral maxillofacial surgery setting. One of the outcomes we were certainly looking to evaluate along the safety lines was the safety of propofol with airway management, oxygen desaturation, and associated reasons for that, such as partial or complete or central airway obstruction or central cessation of breathing. So we were able to look at our total dose of propofol and look at how often people had partial upper airway obstructions and see if the two were related, because often when you look in the literature, you'll see, depending on the test protocol, the higher doses of propofol and the more aggressive induction protocols, the more often people obstruct, stop breathing, and subsequently desaturate. So we were looking to see, using our protocol, were the two related? Was the mean dose of propofol between the two different groups significantly different between those who had partial upper airway obstruction and those who didn't? And we did find a statistically significant difference between the mean propofol dose between those two groups. Of course, the first criticism people will make is, well, maybe one group had, by chance, a higher BMI than the other, and that's why that group had more partial upper airway obstruction, because they have this background risk factor for that, and did you control for that? So that's when we use the ANCOVA to remove the effect that BMI was having on our outcome, and in doing so we found that BMI was indeed having a statistically significant effect, but even after removing that, the outcome was still statistically significant above and beyond that. So we were able to control for that, that variable, and still show that it was still having an effect even after it was removed.